Hello, Ebusiafo. Look at me, even without the bra. Wow, the sun is shining and the shining is shining. The hot is hotting. Guys, if I tell you how I managed to prepare this kakro, it will baffle you. The broth 2024, made in Oxford. Chale, since if you Cambridge, you will Oxford English. Set as it. The kakro is trending. Don't skip through this video. Watch. This is my first video, and again, made in Ghana. Mori to be precise. Wow, Chalimaya is rough. So kindly watch how I made this wonderful kakro in a very small place, in a very hot place. Jack, after watching it, like it, just give me the thumbs up. Leave your nice comments. 2024, no discouraging comments. Set as it. Nice and nice. And today is your first time, kindly subscribe. No one support Hilda's Kitchen, so Hilda's Kitchen can also reach the need. We love you for. And I find myself in Ghana, Mori to be precise, yeah. And then somebody gave me this one for free of charge. It was all green, and because of the sun and the heat, they've all turned into yellow. And we feel somebody said we should throw it away, and I'm like, Lila, it won't happen over here, sister. Mon close view na Brazilian condo. So today, me and Sister we wake up this morning trying to make justice to this beautiful plantain. I'm going to use it for kakro set as it. So garnet in team so the fun. They are very slim and not chunky like me, but they are still very nice and I mean gingerized. This is ginger. I'm going to use some cloves of garlic and some onion. And for our pepper, because I don't have fresh pepper, I'm going to use this Kivo pepper powder, hot. You can see the fire over here. So in Ghana, when you go to Rome, you try to do what the Romans do. So don't skip through the video, and kindly for sure many no one show many man pay many why basaya Charlie the bra sister know the well some. So guys, 2024, kindly support Hilda's Kitchen because I'm doing a great job. Even if you haven't seen it, I'm telling you, I'm doing a great job. People, when I see people around, Auntie, thank you for teaching us how to do meat pie and stuff. I mean, people are spicing their homes and people's business are booming. So guys, can you support Hilda's Kitchen, what I'm doing? I'm supporting me, what? Now, when I get to the top, my aim is to support the needy. If you can't reach them, just help me to reach them, and God bless you. Don't get annoyed. We are in 2024. God bless you. It's very nicely. The cocoa is very soft, so I should have found it in the Malta or whatever. Abe would ruin, but I chose to mash it with my hands. Orokodo, don't skip through the video. Kindly like this video, share, and if today is your first time watching Hilda's Kitchen, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless you. Hello, Busiafo. Brozi na metemin sa fatoma. Why I conda de my sister, Miss Obobuajido. So don't skip through the video. At this point in time, I'm going to add my blend, which is onion, garlic, and ginger to the mix. Set as to the plantain, and then also add. It depends on how hot you want your kakro to be. Kids are going to eat some, so I'm trying to reduce the amount of pepper I'm going to add to this my kakro. Set as up budget. Today the broth is brothing, so kindly guys, give me the thumbs up, like this video, and if today is your first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will also add some salt to my kakro. If you don't eat salt, you can do without. As you can see, the mixing is mixing. I record set as say, oh, it's ban papa. Say busy ban papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh easy ban papa. Or the kakro mix is mixing. At this point in time, I won't waste much of your time. I'm going to add some flour, plain flour or soft flour. to my kakro. It all depends on how hard you want it. Again, if you when you start frying the kakro and it's not coming out, easily, which means the flour is not enough. At that time, kindly add more to it. Orokodo. Sisemba Ghana is I'm explaining it the way some of the Ghanaian YouTube channels does their stuff. Set as say Orokodo. Or is one Papa all the way from Mori. Papa B. This is my first video for 2024. I don't know when you are going to get it, but guys, my eyes is banana. Maybe do Ghana, so I'm still cooking. That tells you that I'm very industrious woman. I'm a hardworking person. If you want kakko, super cool beef and everything, kindly link me up. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Facebook. Hilda's Cooking, and kindly support. So after mixing everything, now my kakro mix looks more or less like bofrot texture. The texture looks more or less like bofrot one. So give me the thumbs up and come along with me. Don't skip through the video because the strategy was it choke kakro nampuno or ye set us more for one bonjudo. One in your as one supporting, and God bless you. So guys, the oil is hot, so I'm going to start making the balls using spoon or anything you feel comfortable with it. Make sure you minimize your heat so it doesn't get burned. So guys, I'm checking if it's struggling to just float, which means the flour is too small, so I have to add more to it. From the way I'm seeing things, it's a bit small, so I'll add tiny bit. Oh well, it's not bad. It's coming up nicely. It's coming up very nicely. Yeah, orokodo. Oh, but you do rough. The floatment is working. Set as it. Orokodo, don't skip through the video. And then maybe neem tree. This is neem tree. And then there is a shiny mess. So this is my a toothbrush this morning. Example, kakro no good wire conda condo brazil take to a go. Now I make justice to it very nicely. Look, it will be still that they will be so away as the border of body or rokodo. So guys, I had the ones man on yago often 1-2 katado. So we've covered it and the previous ones are ready. Look at the color. Look at the color, guys. Oh, look at me sitting here like as if I'm part of them. Are you not going to give me the thumbs up? Kindly do, Jack, do na my eyes. Hey, match was allowed to the man. If you are not giving me the thumbs up, Jack, you are not doing well. Thank you so much for watching the Hilda's Kitchen. Oh, look at the apples, the delicious. Wow, God. So guys, did you enjoy watching me making this in the very sunny? It's very hot, you can see me. I'm sweating, but I'm still managing because of the love I have for you. And I know you also love me. You do love me. Oh, God, the sister. Give me the thumbs up. Share the video. You can use this as your business on the roadside. Set as it. Let me give you a name for it when you start making this kakro on the roadside. Call it kakro junction. Set as it. Or kakro junction. Or rokodo. It's looking absolutely wonderful. Look at me here and looking this job. I love you so much and thank you for watching.